Hello everybody! So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a web browser called Pale Moon. Somebody who commented on one of my videos mentioned it to me, and it's really cool because it's a fork of Firefox, meaning that it uses some of the Firefox code. If you ever hear it's a fork of something, it uses part of that. And I had on my video about alternative web browsers to see if they work on Windows 10, somebody used one of the browsers and they had a problem with it, and they told me about this Pale Moon browser. It is open source, meaning it's free. As I said, it's a fork of Firefox. So I'm going to download that now, and I'm going to test it. It's called the Pale Moon Project. So here's what this is. Web browser for Microsoft Windows and Linux. So obviously I'm running Windows, this is fine. My bad. It's based on open source Goanna based. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to download the Windows one. I am running the 64-bit of the operating system, so if you're running 32, you would download the 32. It's not a very big file, obviously, so I'm going to select Run. I thought it was Firefox based. I apologize for that. Here we are at the setup. For now, I'm just going to do standard custom. I'll leave that up to somebody else. So now we're going to finish it. So, sorry, I was thinking of a Mortal Kombat reference there. I'm going to do no for right now. So here's what you have. You have your backwards, forwards button, refresh, home. You have some tabs here. And I just realized that this is set up almost like Firefox. So basically what I just realized is whatever this is based off of, Firefox is based off that well. So it goes hand in hand. So let's try to go to Google. Okay, let's try to download something. Let's see how this downloads. Now, if you look over here, you're going to see a down arrow. That's for downloading. I just want to see how it works. Thank you to that commenter who told me about this browser. So now I'm going to save the file. I'm just going to save it to the desktop. It did it really, really quickly. So this browser's pretty good. So let's compare Firefox with this and let's see what's the same and what's different. Open file, save as link. You have bookmarks, history download, add-ons, permission, setup, preferences. So I'm going to make Google my home page here. So Pale Moon has its own. So we're going to go to Google. That's your history right there. This is how you bookmark. So now that it's bookmarked, go into preferences. No. So once you go into preferences, click use current pages. There we go. So if I exit out, boom, you're at Google. So anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.